Hey guys, how are you today? Bitcoin Kid here, February 26, 2021. Alright, so we see Bitcoin $47,942, Ethereum $1,541. We've seen Bitcoin's latest low from down to 44,000, but bounced back to 47,492. So that's great news. Coinbase reveals that it executed billions of dollars worth of cryptocurrency buys of some of the largest institutions around the world. Coinbase is officially filed documents with the SEC. So these are going to become public soon. Coinbase also looking to list its stock on the Nasdaq under the sticker name Coin. That's going to be amazing. So that's another stock to look out for. $630 million in Bitcoin just left Coinbase. Usually this is a bullish signal with Bitcoin. When Bitcoin is moved away from a venue, because that usually means that it's going to be held, and not sold on that exchange. So that's usually like a bullish sign. A lot of analysts perceive that this indicates that institutional buyers are liking the Bitcoin price about 48,000. So even though we're in a downward trend, this is definitely a bullish signal. So a lot of people are asking, hey, is the bull run over? But I don't think so. I mean, you've got other companies like MicroStrategy. They just invested another $1 billion. They're up to $4.45 billion worth of Bitcoin. So I definitely, even though if we just look back in history, look back at the at the time of Bitcoin, it's just we were seeing these dips. I mean, yes, 2017 we had an 80% dip back down to $3,000. But lately we've only seen 25, maybe 30% corrections. Even this time around it was less than 15% correction. So we are definitely still in it. I mean, there's other analysts are predicting by March a $75,000 Bitcoin, by maybe even by October even a $230,000 Bitcoin. So I would, this is definitely a time to buy. It's discounted right now. Again, I'm not a financial advisor, but just look at the history. Click on any of the exchanges and look, follow what Bitcoin has been doing. Lately after that 2017, we've really only seen maybe max 30% drops. So and then you see how quickly we're bouncing back up again, because now after 2021 we've had so much institutional buyers that they gobble up as soon as the Bitcoin price goes down because of FOMO or people of fear of losing their money. As soon as the institutions see the price drop, they're buying it by the billions. As you can see with Coinbase, they're reporting now billions of dollars from other institutional buyers. So some other coins to look out for, we are looking at Cardano, Chainlink, Tezos, Orion Protocol. Keep on the lookout for Ethereum, even though it dropped, but it's still going back up. So this is definitely right now it's time to buy. Cardano is, they're predicting Cardano to go up to $3. I just purchased a little bit of Cardano, maybe about $100 or so. Chainlink as well. Definitely look at Chainlink. We've seen some of these in Tezos. These are definitely others to look out for as well. So in a little bit, I'm going to go into my portfolio, or let's go over some pricing of what's happening with some of these other coins and some to look out for. And I'll show you what I did just recently with some of my Ethereum. I had moved over to Bitcoin really lately. Okay, all right guys, stay tuned. 1 second. All right guys, so we are in Coinbase. Okay, and let's take a look at some of these pricing. Okay, Bitcoin 47,623. We got Ethereum back up from 1,400, 1,522. Cardano 121. This was like a dollar and a penny last night. I did purchase it, but I purchased it a little bit higher, $1.23. Polkadot, XRP down. Litecoin 178. Chainlink $26. They're predicting Chainlink to be possible at the end of the year, $84. Stellar Lumens is down. What else we got? Uniswap, this is another one that they're looking into. Dogecoin going down a little bit. Cosmos, this one has been going down a little bit as well. some of the other ones that we were looking at. Tezos, this is the one that they were talking about to look out for as well. V-Chain's down, was at 55 cents. Synthetics, this one is down as well, 8.75%. Algo, that's down as well. You know, we're going to see a lot of these coins right now. They're low, but I would, you know, buy into them right now when they're a little bit low. Hopefully we'll catch them on the way back up again. But those are some of the ones that we're looking at that have invested in. ZRX is another one that they're talking about. These are just some of the few coins, and some of these you can buy on trade on Coinbase. Okay, let's take a look at my portfolio. Let's see what's going on. Okay, so yesterday I was doing a little bit of math again. You know, hey, the Bitcoin kid, right? Didn't really have a lot of Bitcoin. So, but anyways, the point was I've been trying to flip these smaller coins, and we've been talking about that, to buy Bitcoin, because I really believe that Bitcoin, you know, is going to go into the millions. You know, it might not be this year, it might not be this bull cycle, but you know, could be in the next few years. So, but it's definitely something that you want to invest in now, because you don't want to look back and go, man, I should have invested, because I was introduced to Bitcoin back in 2011, but I didn't really think much of it. I thought it was kind of like a scam, and I decided not to invest in it. And although it was very difficult to invest in back then, like you really had to trust these, you know, other exchanges like, you know, Mount Gox, I believe it was called, you know, and you had to send like thousands of dollars and hope that they would, you know, honor, you know, the money that you sent. You had to send it overseas. I think it was in Asia. So you had to be very careful. And then they did get, you know, they'd get closed down, and then, but they did refund people's money, but it took years and years later, right? So it is a lot easier now. So I just definitely don't want to miss out on this opportunity that I have right now. Again, they're calling it Gold 2.0, and I've always wanted to get involved in gold, but it, you know, just buying coins and, you know, trying to figure that out. But this is like very efficient. You know, you can purchase as much, you know, Bitcoin as you like, and you can trade it, you can sell it. You know, with, if you buy, you know, gold bars or gold coins, a lot of times you know, just in the exchange of trying to sell it or trying to move it, you would lose money as well, you know, especially if you try to, you know, if you need the money really fast, try to liquidate it. I mean, this right here, everything is on the phones right now. You can easily liquidate any of these coins if you do need money, and that's kind of what I like about this exchange, that you can just easily just sell it and then instantly deposit it back into your bank account if, you know, if need be. But anyways, so what we've been trying to do lately is, what I've been trying to do is trying to invest in these smaller coins. So as these smaller coins go up, I would convert those profits into either Ethereum or Bitcoin. So now I'm going to start kind of converting into Bitcoin, just because, you know, the price is low right now. But unfortunately, some of these coins have not really been moving that much for me. Some of these I bought at $38, $39, $40, and you can see I'm kind of down right now. So I'm not gonna sell them just yet. But as you can see now, I did move all of my Ethereum over to Bitcoin, and I kind of did that yesterday just because I was seeing that the price of Ethereum wasn't going that low, but Bitcoin had dipped down to like the 46, 47 range. So I was able to convert like 0.8 something, 0.87 Ethereum into Bitcoin. So that was like a pretty good move for me. It was kind of like, because of this was down, it was kind of like I was purchasing, you know, more Bitcoin because the price was lower than the Ethereum price was at the time. So I think I figured out it was like an extra like $400 worth. So I just made that move and decided, hey, I'm going to do that. And I'm probably going to start building up my Ethereum, because I do have another 1.47 Ethereum in that Nexo wallet account. And I'll kind of show you that a little bit later. But this is kind of where we're at today. No real movement in my portfolio other than down a little bit on some of these coins. But I'm just going to hold it for now and see where that goes. So anyways, let me kind of show you my Nexo account so you can see everything that I'm doing. Let's go to my Nexo wallet account. I know I did have an issue like since Monday, but apparently they've been fixing it and everything seems to be okay now, hopefully. Okay, so let this load up. Okay, so now we see that this was the loan that I took with Nexo. The total that I had in here was like 2,900, but because obviously Ethereum has gone down, this will drop as well. But if Ethereum goes up, because this is an exchange as well, Ethereum will go up, my portfolio balance will go up. But the credit line balance, I'll kind of show you. if I click here, I owe $1,537 still. So that's great because they had put in some kind of like purchase or sell order on Monday, I guess when Ethereum really dropped, and was like basically what my loan amount was for, and so it's kind of like they cashed out all my all my Ethereum, but apparently that got reversed. I don't know if a lot of people complain. I know I complained to them, so that was reversed, and now I'm back to this amount, which has been going up and down, in the last couple of days. So I'm hoping that this will go back up to 2,900 as Ethereum goes up in price. So, but this is where, let me kind of show you. I think if I click here, repay. Oh no, I want to show you the amount of Ethereum that I have. Let's see, where does it show me that? It kind of shows me that price. Where is that? Is it a wallet? Here it is on wallet. Okay, so look, I have 1.43 Ethereum right now, so that's great, and I just have to pay back that other loan, but that gives me a little bit of time to pay back that loan. It's only been like maybe 2 weeks, maybe less, that I've had that loan for, and I'm only paying about $7 or $8 or maybe $10 a month. So I still have 1.43 ETH. So they're saying Ethereum might go down to 1,100. It'll shoot back up to 2,000, maybe dip again, and then maybe onward to that 2,500 to 10,000 range. So hopefully that happens, that 10,000 range. That would be great. I got 1.43 ETH. I'll pay off that loan, and I'll probably pocket $8,500, and I'll probably at that point going to convert it over to Bitcoin, and maybe I'll take the loan out again with Nexo, because hopefully everything seems right, and they continue to update us, and let's see how that works out. But I know they did up their loan amount to like $4,000, so that's not cool. But Coinbase also has a loan amount, but it's a 50% ratio, and the minimum loan is $2,000. So I might convert everything over to Coinbase, and because then I'll have at least $4,000 where I could take a $2,000 loan, and I'll just keep going from there, invest in other coins, and moving forward. But that's pretty much about it, guys, for today. Again, sorry about that, not a lot of action going on. I want to show you also in crypto. Oh, actually, I can't do that because this will log me out completely from my other account. But I did purchase another, I'll have to show you that next time. But I did purchase about 85 Cardanos, which was like $105 or $105 worth. And they're predicting that to go to possible $3. So this is another one to look out for. Also Polkadot, look into Polkadot as well. And that's it. All right, guys, I appreciate it. Hopefully we'll have some more action tomorrow, but I just want to keep you updated on what I'm doing. If you have any questions, or you want to know about maybe a different coin or something, please leave a comment, or you can contact me at Instagram at BitcoinKidUSA. And please like and share. Appreciate it. And thanks so much for all the support. All right, guys, have a great day. Let's flip these cryptos.